Hello everyone, this is Mark Macanas, the founder of TechPinas.com, and in this new video, I'll talk about the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G, the flagship model in the best-selling OPPO Reno10 series 5G.
We'll explore this amazing device covering its design, camera capabilities, performance, the fantastic features of ColorOS 13, and the battery life and charging speed, among many others. But before we dive in, let me give you the pricing and availability of the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G here in the Philippines. You can get this powerhouse handset for $39,999 and it's available at authorized stores nationwide as well as online via Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. Alright, let's go! Let's kick things off with the design and build. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is an absolute head-turner. It boasts a beautiful, slim, and premium design that's sure to grab attention. It's available in two exquisite color finishes, glossy purple and silvery gray. With the added durability of the ultra-tough glass back panel, this device is not just stylish, but it's also built to last. The 3D curved design, slim bezels, and ergonomic feel make it a joy to hold. It exudes premium sleek elegance and sophistication. But what makes it even more impressive is that this is currently the slimmest smartphone with a periscope camera. This camera setup allows you to zoom in on your subjects without losing clarity. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G weighs only 194 grams and measures just 8.28 millimeters in thickness, making it indeed the slimmest smartphone with this very useful camera feature that's currently available in the market.
Speaking of the camera, let's get to the main attraction, the stellar imaging capabilities of the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G.
This phone boasts a top-of-the-line imaging system that will blow you away. OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G features an ultra-clear portrait camera system. This includes the 50-megapixel main camera, which is ideal for low-light photography with its f1.8 aperture and large sensor. There's also the 112 degrees ultra-wide-angle camera that is perfect for capturing landscapes and architectural wonders. And of course, the 64-megapixel telephoto portrait camera with 3 times optical zoom that enables perfect framing and minimal distortion in portraits. But the magic doesn't stop there. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G offers next-generation improvements in image processing. With raw domain multi-frame synthesis, each frame captured is enhanced through advanced algorithms, creating true-to-life images. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G boasts a 1.5K ultra-clear borderless display with 1100 nits maximum brightness combined with Pro XDR Smart Display Control for up to 8 times better dynamic range. This means you'll see HDR images in their most accurate light and shadow representation on your smartphone display.
Here are some sample photos and portraits that I've taken using the powerful rear cameras of the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G.
For those who love to take selfies and groofies, OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G features a 32-megapixel front-facing camera with autofocus that performs well even in low-light conditions. Here are sample selfies that I've taken using this device. And let's not forget that this smartphone can shoot 4K Ultra Night videos at 60 frames per second, a real treat for content creators. With the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G, you can definitely capture incredible moments even in low light.
Yay! Ice cream!
Wow. So ito double Dutch na?
Yes po.
This one?
Dulce Caramello.
Oh. OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G flaunts an exceptional 6.74-inch AMOLED display with an impressive 1240 by 2772 pixels resolution that delivers great viewing experience when browsing websites, watching videos, and playing games. Its 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth navigation and quick response, perfect for various tasks including high frame rate gaming or even just navigating the interface. The ultra slim bezels add the premium touch, and the Asahi Glass AGC DT Star 2 protection keeps the screen safe from scratches and impacts. This durable display guarantees long-lasting quality and peace of mind during daily use. Moving on to performance, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform, a true powerhouse in this price bracket.
With a whopping 12 gigs of RAM, which can be boosted up to 24 gigs via RAM expansion, this smartphone is a true multitasking champion.
This handset is also perfect for playing games, even my favorite Mobile Legends Bang Bang, thanks to the ultra-conductive cooling system, keeping the device cool during intense gaming sessions. The dynamic computing engine optimizes performance and app handling, providing an all-around smoother and more stable user experience. Now let's talk about battery life. The OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is equipped with a high-capacity 4700 mAh battery that keeps you going all day long. The Super VOOC S power management chip ensures efficient use of that battery. But here's the real game changer: OPPO's battery health engine. The system-wide battery optimization solution extends the long-term efficiency of the phone's battery. It controls the current and voltage during charging, ensuring your battery remains healthy even after 1,600 charge cycles.
And here's the icing on the cake: the super fast 100-watt Super VOOC charging technology.
Just 10 minutes of charging takes the battery from 0% to 50%, and in only 27 minutes, you're back to 100%. That's fast charging at its finest. Let's not forget the software, ColorOS 13. It's easy to use, intuitive, and highly customizable. The smart always-on display is a real convenience, ensuring you never miss important notifications. And for those who value privacy, the Auto Pixelate feature lets you conveniently and instantly blur out or hide details on your screen grabs before sharing the images on social media or messaging apps. To sum it up, the OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is a truly remarkable flagship-level smartphone. The design is stunning, the camera capabilities are top-notch, its performance is powerful, and the battery life is impressive. And let's not forget the intuitive and customizable ColorOS 13. At just $39,999, OPPO Reno10 Pro Plus 5G is clearly a competitive choice. I highly recommend this model to anyone looking for an aspirational, flagship-level smartphone that doesn't break the bank. And if you're considering other options, don't forget about the OPPO Reno10 5G and the OPPO Reno10 Pro 5G. They have their own unique features and you can find them at competitive prices. Again, you can grab these OPPO smartphones in authorized stores nationwide and online via Shopee, Lazada, and TikTok Shop. The OPPO Reno10 Series 5G is also available as bundled handsets with Globe Postpaid and Smart Postpaid plans, offering fantastic deals. You can also take advantage of Home Credit's 0% installment options and credit card offers. OPPO fans, don't forget to check out the My OPPO app for exclusive perks and benefits. And please share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the TechPinas YouTube channel for more tech news, reviews, and updates. It will really mean a lot to me. I am Mark of TechPinas, and I'll see you again soon.